I'm going to be preparing a Cod Salad Sandwich. Un sándwich de ensalada de bacalao, like they say in Spanish. What you didn't know is that this is leftover cod. And traditionally, when I cook a leftover meal, I try to make my videos to be less than 60 seconds. This one is going to be less than 5 minutes, maybe three, four. Um, and the reason of that is because I wanted to give you this introduction to tell you that at the end of the video, I'm going to give you 2 tips that are going to change your life. And they relate on how to cook leftover food. And it's applicable to almost most leftovers. So if you stay until the end and you watch those 2 tips, it's going to change how you see leftover food. So go nowhere. Let's create. So let's have some fun. So what do I have here? I have some cod fish or bacalao that I cooked yesterday. Therefore, it's leftovers and I'm going to make great use of it. For the main recipe, go and click the title of this video. It's going to take you to the description and you're going to find actually 2 recipes on how to create this delicious cod. But in addition to that, I'm going to have lettuce, tomatoes, cilantro. This is some micro broccoli, which is optional. I just found it at the local farmers market about a month ago, and it's still fresh. And this is my salad, cod salad. And I had 2 pieces of bread, which are going to become the sandwich. But because this is a leftover, was in the refrigerator, the key thing is to take it out of the refrigerator, leave it outside for about 15-20 minutes to get to close to room temperature, because you want this to cook, reheat and reheat right. So what do? You're going to get the red wine vinegar. Add a little bit, not a lot, just a little bit, enough to get it wet. You don't want this soggy. You don't want the cod going fishing, you know what I mean? I mean swimming. So you add your cod. I'm working here with one hand, by the way, one hand, multitasking. And you start hitting the baby up. And this stuff will smell delicious. Yep, add a tiny bit of that red wine vinegar. Just a little bit. So it doesn't dry up too much, but you don't want it swimming. And you reheat it for about 2, maybe 3 minutes. Now it's time to put this baby together. Get the cut, put it here in this bread. Using my hands is going to be my sandwich. For those of you that are extremely delicate when people touch food with their hands, and cooking for me, my hands are clean. Cleaner than gloves, by the way. Cleaner than gloves. So you have your meat or your cod. Let me put more. Let me add a little bit of lettuce to this baby. Just a little bit. Let me add some tomato. I'm going to add a little bit of the macro broccoli. And of course, some cilantro. Isn't that beautiful? Leftover cooking tips. Number 1, don't cook the same stuff. Thanksgiving, turkey and stuffing. Next day, go with the turkey soup, turkey sandwich, turkey salad. Same with most of other meals. Don't be boring. Tip number 2, the microwave addiction. Don't use the microwave for all your leftovers. It's going to dry the food. Instead, use the stove. Apply the proper ingredient. I have several videos in my channel how to do that. And your meat will continue to be tender and your stews delicious. Talk to you later.